We tend to use comparisons in a less than satisfactory way, often making us feel less than and unworthy. But there is a constructive use for comparisons, noticing that the thing we're looking at hasn't changed, but we have grown, expanded, learned our lesson, moved on, and grown up. Like reading the same book or watching the same movie and seeing things we're absolutely certain weren't there the first time around. Maybe that's the purpose of being embroiled in the same messes. It shows us very plainly our progress or lack of. But it takes a certain amount of commitment to finding the better way to ever approach things differently, especially if our normal approach isn't making us more evolved, expanded, enlightened, enthusiastic, and eager about life. So take a moment now to appreciate just how far you've come and all the subtle ways you're different than you were before, say as a child or yesterday or even last week. Even more importantly, give yourself a big round of applause and a pat on the back for showing up and participating in this crazy game we call the game of life. No matter how difficult it seemed and how many uphill battles you survived, the fact that you survived it all is cause for celebration. Really and truly, it matters not what you were before if you can find a way to be deeply satisfied with the person you are now. All the before taught you were ways to cope with what was before you. Now you realize all the options you never noticed you had before to create and shift this moment into something truly joyful. So do that now. Pause and celebrate this crazy game you call your life. The amazing thing you might not have recognized at first is how a shift to a new improved version of you naturally colors how you look at the past. It's virtually impossible when you're in a joyful, stable place to view others and past mistakes with anything less than appreciation. We like to think of past events as rigid and unchangeable, but the option to relook and reevaluate our reactions is ever open and available. And when we take a moment to shift how we feel about those events, even ones from the past, it changes us in ways too numerous and beneficial to recount. By far the most important aspect of growth and change and even happiness is the surprising realization that it is stretched out to encompass every point around us and every minuscule part of us, coloring it in a lovely rosy hue like the beautiful light at the end of the day that transforms even the most mundane things into objects of great beauty. Before, we would have seen nothing but our failures. Now, we see how they strengthen our resolve. Before, our world was narrow and confined with assumptions. Now we find ourselves looking at others and seeing them the same, with the same motivations, the same underpinnings, and the same aspirations. So pause for this moment and fully and completely relish the beautiful nature of life in all its glory, as it was before and how it will be eternally ever after.